I'm gonna just get over here where I can see what they're doing. There's a surveyor setting up for taking a level shot for elevation. Oh, they're gonna love seeing me. I can see them eyeballing me already. That's the other side of that culvert that ain't been, probably no water run through it. He's digging beside it. And they're just tearing it out. That's a heavy piece of equipment. Now there's the tunnel. Somehow is going to go underneath here. Now whether they're going to do it with the road open or not, I do not know. Look at the load of rock. You got the small aggregate, and then you got that mixture over there. That stuff will pack tight as concrete. As you can see, they got ribbon right down there that matches the other part of the tunnel. Let me walk down here and see what it looks like. Yeah, you can see the line on the road. That's the new end right there. So they're getting the old one out. It's probably going to raise the elevation all the way.